Hello everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to apply the Pavez lipsticks and lip pencils with a few tips and tricks. So we're going to start off by looking at the different products that we can use on our lips to make the best of them. So we could start by outlining the lips with the Champagne Casual eye pencil and use them just to bring out, like put them on the top of the lips and underneath the lips to give a highlight, and just use your finger. You could also use the eyeshadow as well. There we go. And that just brings an opening to the lips. And then I like to put a liner around my lips with the lip pencil. So we have these in 3 colors: baby pink, mauve, and also Hollywood red. So these are new, and I'm just going to use that on the outside just to give a little bit of definition. Now with the lipstick we are introducing new colors, and this one is the baby pink, presented in our eco-friendly conscious lipstick tube, and you can just apply as most people do, or you can use a lip brush and apply. So that's the baby pink lipstick applied. Now some other tips you can do to open up your lips is you could apply a little bit of the matching lip gloss, or we have actually got now a clear lip gloss out with a little touch of sparkle in that can be applied in the centrum. The other thing you can do is use the Snow White eyeshadow and apply a touch of that in the center of your lips, and again just use your lip brush, again just to bring the lips out. Or you can, as I said, we can also add this lip gloss can also be used by itself. It's really nourishing for the lips. It has a lot of castor oil in and coconut oil, and it really is good for dry, chapped lips. So this is our new clear lip gloss. So that is my lip makeup for the summertime.